Honda introduced a totally revamped Accord Hybrid for 2023. With the 2024 design year promptly approaching, we expect the amazed hybrid to go the same. The outside style of the 2024 Honda Accord Crossbreed is anticipated to match the current model that gets on sale. The sedan features a stately design with slim headlights, a large oblong grille, as well as a large air intake under of the front bumper. Smooth body lines as well as a somewhat raked roofline are highlights of the Accord Crossbreed side profile. The rear end of the Accord Crossbreed has diamond-shaped taillights that expand right into a horizontal bar and also a rounded rear bumper. On the inside, the existing Accord Hybrid has an upscale appearance with simple style elements. The dashboard includes honeycomb trim that covers the air vents, while the main touchscreen sits towards the front of the dashboard and also is placed in addition to it. The center console has physical controls for the cooling and heating system that is easy to use and also intuitively outlined. We expect the 2024 Accord Hybrid to have the same interior decoration as the existing model that gets on sale. Honda fits the current Accord Hybrid with a 12.3-inch touchscreen as well as a 10.2-inch electronic instrument collection. The car additionally features wireless Apple CarPlay as well as Android Automobile compatibility. Offered features include a wireless billing pad as well as Google integrated compatibility. These features will certainly continue to be used on the 2024 Accord Crossbreed. The Accord Crossbreed features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that's paired with two electrical motors. Output is rated at 204 horsepower as well as 247 pound-feet of torque. We don't anticipate to see any adjustments to the 2024 Accord Hybrid's powertrain. The Honda picking up collection of sophisticated safety attributes is standard on the existing Accord Hybrid as well as should continue to get on the 2024 Accord Crossbreed. Standard safety and security functions consist of forward collision warning, automated emergency braking, lane separation warning, lane maintaining help, traffic assist, dead spot monitoring, flexible cruise ship control, and website traffic indicator recognition. Low-speed braking control is available.